Look at this golden brown grilled chicken thigh with the incredible smell right from the oven. How could one even resist? The chicken thighs are so moist and soft with the rich flavor of garlic and honey. What a great dish to prepare for the weekend meal for your beloved family. Let's get cooking.
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Ingredients you will need: 3 chicken thighs about 3 pounds, salt and pepper, chili flakes, some chili sauce, butter, honey, garlic, and coriander. Firstly, season chicken thighs with salt and pepper on both sides. Next, finely mince the garlic and squeeze out the juice to marinate the chicken. Keep the leftovers for later use. Leave the chicken thigh to marinate for about 30 minutes. Next, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Then place the chicken thigh into the oven for about 35 minutes. For the spicy butter garlic sauce, melt 80 grams of butter in a saucepan, then add the leftover garlic, 4 tablespoons of honey, 1/3 cup of chili sauce, and 2 teaspoons of minced coriander. A pinch of chili powder and stir well. After 35 minutes of baking, remove the chicken thighs and drizzle the spicy butter garlic sauce all over it, and then increase the heat up to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit, and then continue to bake until the chicken thighs become golden brown outside with the amazing scent of butter, garlic, and honey. They will smell even better if you grill them on charcoal or barbecue. Remember to brush or apply the sauce on the chicken thigh evenly and grill until the skin turns golden brown. You can serve this on top of rice with a few slices of cucumber, and it's so easy to make, but the dish looks amazing and the smell is incredible. The chicken is so soft and juicy and tender. I'm sure you're gonna crave for more. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Share with me a photo if you do. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you then next time. Bye bye!